Hi everybody, this is Mike here, also known as Wolffield Diver. Thanks for watching. Today we're out at the Nooksack River in Whatcom County, Washington. We're going to be flying the Phantom 4 Pro drone today and checking out a Sandmarc polarizing filter. I've never had the chance to try this before, so let's give it a try. It's a nice day. It's around almost 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Wind's blowing a little bit, maybe gusting up to maybe 10 miles an hour, but I think this drone can handle it. Let's see what happens here. Time for takeoff. There you go. Oops. Help if I aimed the camera at me. I think I'm going to change the ISO on this, make it 400. The native ISO of this Phantom 4 drone camera is about 500. Alright. I'm just going through and checking all my settings here right now, making sure I've got good GPS signals. I got 19 satellites. I've got a return to home altitude of 40 meters. Which should be able to clear all those trees. And let's see what happens here. Let's go up. And let's point the camera down at me. There I be. I like to stop and restart my video files once in a while so that I get a nice clean file break instead of one huge file to work with. And we're off. High wind velocity warning, fly with caution. Yeah, no duh. This drone can handle it though. I've flown in much stronger winds than this. Just depends if it gets gusted or not, that's all. We're up about 125 feet. Do some tests of the SF10 ISO 200 shutter speed 1/240th. I'm shooting 60 frames per second 4K. Looks dark on my screen, but that tends to be the case. I find that it looks brighter on my computer usually. Yeah, that's definitely underexposed there. Let's open that up a little bit. Getting a lot of data dropouts. We're at 2.4 gigahertz. Let's come back to me. Drop down. We're going to descend and fly forward. At the same time, I got a tailwind now. There's the aircraft, straight out from me. I'm using these new quiet props that DJI came out with this year on my Phantom 4. This is the version 1 aircraft, not the version 2. But I am using the quiet props, which help. Look at that thing go. That's awesome. I'm going to grab some altitude here. Slow it down. We'll drop and we'll fly backwards. And we'll record this shot like this. I'm gonna pull this backwards. Now I'm watching the drone with my eyes, not with the screen, making dang sure I don't have any trees, and I'm flying it back to me. Oh, that's beautiful. This thing flies so well in this wind. That's what's nice about these Phantoms. Pretty stable platform. I'll fly backwards and rotate to the left a little bit. It takes a little coordinated controls to do this. I love it though. There's some trees behind me. Gotta make sure I don't smash and burn into any of them. Let's stop and see what's going on. Yeah, there's a tree right there I could have hit. Don't think I have my radar on, do I? Let me check that. Display radar chart says it is, but I don't see it. Must be nothing to show. 65-foot altitude. I love buzzing. This is the whole reason for having a drone. There's my radar chart. I don't have screen recording going because it, whoa, because it blocks up the processor. Where am I? I think I'm over here. Oh, there I am. Weak GPS signal, or weak transmission signals, yep. Coming and going. Still got lots of bars, but it's just delayed. Switching this back to autofocus. I'll bring it in landing since I have some wind. I'll land it, and I'm going to land it by hand. I'm going to catch it out of the air because it might be too squirrely. I'm going to take off my parabolic directional antennas. They tend to be pretty directional. Let's bring this in slow. Crosswind landing here. There's number one on the runway. Number one on the runway. Kill the engine. Engine dead, low battery warning. Happy camper. That was fun. It'll be interesting to see how this filter looks. I may fly a little bit more, but stay close because the wind's gusting. I think I'll do one more flight. I got good lighting, and there's some good sky. The clouds are over the mountains. They're not upwind. So let's give this a go.